Welcome to the Early Alert series for faculty members. In this series, we'll review the MSU Denver Early Alert process from what it is to how to successfully submit attendance alerts, progress reports, and even independent alerts. This specific tutorial focuses on what Early Alert is and why it's important for the whole MSU Denver community to participate. Early Alert is a retention tool used to identify students early in the semester who are experiencing academic difficulties or who could benefit from referrals to appropriate campus resources. Our commitment is to student success, a goal that requires the participation of the entire MSU Denver community. Providing intervention assistance early in the semester is very important to enhance student persistence and graduation rates. The goals of the Early Alert program are to increase student success in meeting their academic goals, improve student persistence and graduation rates, decrease the number of students on academic warning and probation, and increase communication between students, faculty, and advising professionals. Utilizing the functionality of Student Success Collaborative Campus software, faculty members provide feedback on student attendance as well as student academic performance. Once faculty members provide feedback on students, academic advisors and success coaches conduct outreach, offering assistance and a personal connection to campus resources. For students who've been marked at risk by a faculty member, a case is generated in SSC Campus. Advisors or success coaches close a case when outreach has been conducted, and case notes are visible to the faculty member who initiated the alert, as well as various participants of the campus support network, including advisors, success coaches, and administrators.